To update products, click Inventory, Product List, search the product, click on Inventory, to add 100 pieces of Avon for Abellia, click the Stock Receipt, 100, Abellia Naga, add quantity. Successfully added. Then in our inventory movement, you see the 100 pieces stock received encoded by Marlon to Abellia Naga. So the quantity will now be 200. That is for stock received. For stock transfer, for example, you will transfer 100 pieces from Abellia Naga. We will transfer it to 101 branch. Add quantity. So as you can see, we have stock pull out from stock transfer of 100 from Abellia Naga to 101 Mall. Then Abellia Naga is now 100, then 101 Naga is now 300 from the base of 200 stocks. Then for pull out, for example, we will pull out 50 stocks from Abellia Naga. So add 50 Abellia Naga, add quantity. So Abellia Naga is now 50. So you can see in the history, we can see stock pull out of 50 pieces from Abellia Naga. Then for negative and positive adjustment, this is used to just correct the inventory value. For example, the physical count for A1 fresh is 49, so you can add, you can minus one quantity for Abellia Naga, then add. It's now 49. So negative adjustment. Then for positive adjustment, it will just add one quantity Abellia Naga. So 50 positive adjustment. So this is just used for correcting the physical count.